Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create glass break transitions to your edits in CapCut. So here, just add your clips to CapCut, and if you want to add the glass break edit and transitions, just click on the transition box in between the clip, and here swipe through the category, then select the split category and just swipe, and you'll easily spot the glass break transition. So there are two options. This is the glass break 1, and there's also glass break 2. Here you can just adjust the duration of the glass break transition, click on the check icon, and you are done. So this will be the final result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.